Your job is to connect with the Phoenix, Mistral. Whoa. Clear your mind of all distraction. In order to see the Phoenix, you must focus, Tom.
The power of the Phoenix is the greatest in this universe. In the right hands, it creates. And in the wrong hands, like Lou's, it destroys.
So what happens if she gets it?
She'll unleash its power on Lunar New Year when the chi is at its most potent.
Then use the Phoenix to destroy all of humanity and reign over the world in darkness for all of eternity!
Okay, that does sound bad.
If it were ever unleashed, no one could touch it and survive. Not even a guardian.
But it's okay to wear it around my neck, though. Got it.
Steamed dumplings. Very delicious.
I'm not hungry.
Tom, pass me the soy sauce. Without your hands.
How?
Chi lines. You know, it's like strings of magical energy that are everywhere. You just grab onto one. Like this.
Can you see the Phoenix?
No.
I'm easily scared of everything, so protection spells come in handy. Ah! Protection spells!
Protection spell. No. Can you, like, teach me to blast up with Fashu now?
Oh, wait. What did you say?
Fashu.
Feel the chi inside you. And let it flow.
Terrible idea.
Fashu?
Fashu.
Yeah, Fashu.
Oh.
Fashu.
Your intonation's all wrong.
No. Yo, did you see that? Fanshu.
Just said sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Really?
No.
Feel like I'm on top of the world.